Hello dears, how are you? I think so you are fine. So how to plugin license integration in your plugin. So simply you can do it this process. So Dababu LMS system. So app.dababu.com. This site you register it and then you generate a license. Something like generate license. This email, my customer, then free multiple site. This one plugin. This one the plugin name. The plugin name is simple notice as like that notice plugin. So I create a monthly yearly subscription. So I now create a license. So this one I create license. So now this license I just active my so how license already done. Now developer API. So developer API we now implement with the plugin. And this one, this code in your inc folder, your plugin. This one we are here hosting your wp content, then plugin section, plugin folder. As like that, as a WordPress developer, you know that which one what is plugin. So the in your plugin, so just you go your plugin and plugin file, main file, then you create a folder inc, then create a license manager .php, then you create a license manager .php, then you the code copy, then you just push it and save it, and push it and save it. So now this one save, now this one save, then now you need to license require the path. So the the file path mandatory, but also require this one file also mandatory. So you must be integrate this one file license active or deactive, this one update license, sorry, update file, as like your plugin 2 version you release, but your client don't see. So that's why live update, instant update plugin your client is showing. So this one code you just copy, this one code also, this file create also, and this one code, this code instant pushes. So copy and now I paste it. So this one I paste, already done. So okay, fine. So we already done and we already create the folder and two file and integration main plugin, simple plugin. So we just integration system. Then if you need to per pages in per pages check, a per pages check, you check it, this this page or feature, you check it, license execute or not. So now you active the plugin. So I active the plugins, this one the plugin license. So I see the plugin license and the simple plugin notice, now it is activated. So my plugin is activated now. This one my plugin license option. So this license you just you just use this one plugin, must be plugin category product. So must be plugin category. When you create the category, then plugin choose. If you need to plugin license, then you choose this, then you active this. So this one plugin license is activated properly, this one activated here. So we need to update the plugin. So we need to update the plugin. When we are need to update the plugin, example like that, example like this one plugin I just copy, I just paste. So this one plugin, copy and paste. So this plugin we are see how much version. So we are see that how much version, version 2. So we are just execute one, then this plugin version I think so more than. So we are 0 2.0.0. Okay, fine, that we are pasted. This one plugin version is 2. So its plugin have this server, domain server. Just I file keep it. So just save and push it. Okay, this one already done. So we just reload, then we are pop-up. See this one, see, so update and auto activated version 2. So we are check it now. Okay, fine. So already done. The plugin is this one. See, the version 2 is uh, uh, already installed, and just we are activated. So version 2, version 1, old one we are deactivated, new one we activated. So license process is simply and simple. You need to this license remove your client. So you just view, and this one license remove, this one remove the license, instant deactive now. So instant deactive the license. So we are just click it again. So this one, so we are just now we are refresh. So our license is gone. So license activated, the process is very easy for you for the plugin license. So you can use it and easily you track your client and easily track your plugin. Thank you so much watching the video.